If you're looking for an entry-level Jeep, you have found it here. Our 2022 certified pre-owned Jeep Compass Altitude, bright white with LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a very low odometer coming in at 5,000 miles, a temp touchscreen display, rear backup camera system, dual zone temperature control, piano black interior accents, split folding rear seats, comes in with a fuel economical 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. This is a Jeep that won't break the bank, folks. Visit us at marinocjd.com and search stock number 47717A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.